Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Unique Sajia, another unboxing blog. And this is going to be only Huda Beauty. Recently I purchased two things from Huda Beauty, which is their famous pink, I think UBR collection. I forgot. Like I ordered maybe 1 month ago, last month or beginning of this month. I forgot. Like time goes so fast. And ordered this one. So let's do together. So I ordered this. I like Huda's collection recently. It's getting, I know I'm late. I am late. So I've been hearing lots of thing about this foundation. I do the foundation for last 3 years and 4 years. I do use their stick foundation for 4 years, but I never use their easy blur foundation. But I heard that this is very easy to use, and it's like my skin is dry, like very dry, and I heard this is like perfect for it has niacinamide. Guys, sorry, like I've been recently got cold and little fever, so I was like not in my mind right now. But since I got a package, and this package always excite me, right? So who doesn't like to get packages and open and see the stuff, right? I love that. Like I know I'm crazy. Any of you know me closely, like they will be like, you are crazy girl. So it is a weightless, sorry, let me, it's not okay. It is weightless, comfortable, buildable blur. So that's why I got this, and it's going to be care my skin while I use makeup. So that's the perfect thing. Who doesn't want that? Like caring and also show up, be the best look. So let me show you what I got. I also got their sample book of Fox filter. I got this once last time. I still haven't used this, but they have like color character here. I never, like I always see this too, but I never see this one. So got primer too. Yes, I got the full set. I thought like why not just buy the full set. So I am not like halfway in my makeup and like why I missed to buy those. So I bought everything. So I bought this primer. I am a primer person. I like prime my face because that is very important when you do makeup. Before, when I start doing makeup, my makeup used to get cakey, like it's not set properly. So I learned throughout the year, and I learned that primer is my best friend right now. So did I got two shade? Okay, I think I accidentally bought two shade. This is vanilla and this is vanilla too. See, I am a crazy person. So I got two vanilla. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm crazy person. I am easy bake. I have this easy bake powder in shade cherry blossom. So this is something. Okay, yeah, I thought like, am I order like two things? Okay, so easy bake, it comes with the package. That's why I got two different thing. Same thing, but two same thing. Foundation, so easy blossom cake. So this is, I don't know how much I'm going to use, but I never use a bake loose setting powder. Basically I use setting spray like always, like I'm getting old and I always use setting powder, but I never use setting powder. I always use setting spray. But I'm very excited. So this is the package that I received. So this is whole set. Like they have their blush filter. It's a liquid blush. I'm going to wear this and I will do like get ready with me video, and you can see how it looks like. I got this UB birthday cake collection. I'm very excited to use this one. I think if I use this one, I don't need to use blush a lot, so I'm very excited to use this one. It comes with fox filler, so shine lip gloss. So I like to wear lip gloss. I am not matte person much, but I like lip gloss more than this. So I got this base brush. I got this brush, so it's a base. It help you to do my foundation, so I'm very excited to use this brush. I am also like brush collection person. Like I have a lot of brush from Shein. I have brush from Sephora. The best I love so far, like in my collection, is Sephora. But who doesn't like to try new? So this is something I like to try. This is the brush, and I'm going to use this one and let you know how it looks like. So, and I got this watch, and from where? From Shein, and I like it. It's pretty. I wish I can I like anything shiny. So this is what I get so far. Let me show you. I am crazy, so I got 2 vanilla. I think vanilla is perfect, my color. So I am 100% sure that I will finish this foundation quicker than anything, because I love Huda Beauty's foundation. Like I've been using their stick foundation for over 3 years or 4 years now, and I'm sure like I'll be using. I recently purchased from their site the stick foundation during Black Friday time, so I am very excited to get this. If you like to see my more videos, just let me know in the comment. I will share videos now every time. Let me know what do you like to see. I will be doing a Huda Beauty like overall video, like after I open this product, so you can see what I have and what they does. Like maybe I'll do a get ready with me video like with this stuff. This is like liquid blush, so you will have idea how it looks like after the makeup. So if you have any question, let me know. Okay, till then, assalamu alaikum everyone, take care, bye.